Hi, I'm Dr. Hope here at Secure Dental. And if you've ever thought about improving your smile, whether it's brightening your teeth, fixing small imperfections, or straightening your bites, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to walk you through some of our most popular cosmetic options and explain how each one can help you feel more confident in your smile. Let's start with something many patients ask about: teeth whitening. Over time, our teeth can become stained from coffee, wine, smoking, or even aging. Professional whitening offers a safe and effective way to restore a brighter, more youthful smile. Here at Secure Dental, we offer take-home kits for safer and more gradual whitening, customized just for you. Unlike the over-the-counter products, professional whitening is stronger, longer-lasting, and supervised for your safety. And with proper maintenance, like limiting staining foods, using a straw, and regular cleanings, you can keep that bright smile for years. Next, let's talk about veneers. These are thin porcelain shells that are bonded to the front of your teeth. Veneers can dramatically change the look of your smile, covering chips, gaps, discoloration, or even misshapen teeth. Every veneer case starts with a personalized consultation. We take impressions or digital scans and work with top labs to design custom veneers that match your natural look and bite. They're strong, stain resistant, and with proper care can last 10 to 15 years or longer. Veneers are a great option if you're looking for a smile upgrade without orthodontics or major procedures. For patients looking to straighten their smile without metal braces, Secure aligners are an excellent choice. They use a series of clear, removable aligners that gradually shift your teeth into place. Treatment begins with a digital scan, no messy impressions, and you get a virtual preview of your final smile. You'll wear each set of liners for about 2 weeks, removing them only to eat, brush, and floss. Clear aligners are ideal for mild to moderate crowding, gaps, or bite issues. And because it's nearly invisible, adults and teens alike feel confident wearing it throughout the day. Cosmetic dentistry isn't just about how you look, it's also about how you feel. Whether you're interested in whitening, veneers, secure aligners, or a full smile makeover, we're here to help you feel confident every time you smile.